Helo, siamai a chroeso. Heddiw, dyn ni yma gyda the one and only Victoria Scone. I bawb sydd wedi bod yn byw o dan carreg, dyma Victoria Scone, fenyw cis gynta yn RuPaul's Drag Race history, ac yn hefyd yn dod o Gaerdydd. Wel, Portsmouth. But she's a Cardiff girl at heart.
Cardiff girl at egg. Or was egg the same in English and Welsh?
Oi.
Oh, oi.
Fi'n mynd i dangos Victoria cwpl o geiriau Cymraeg a bydd rhaid I hi cyfieithu nhw i'r Saesneg. Gair cyntaf, scone.
Scone? Right?
Yes, there we go.
Good. I'm doing really well at this. Lovely. Thanks very much, everyone. I'll see you later.
Question gyntaf. First question.
Question what?
Question gyntaf.
What do you call me? What was it? Cuntaf? What does that mean?
Cyntaf, first.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Pa peth bydde ti wedi hoffi dwyn o'r set?
Something that I think all of us did actually steal was the wig heads. The crew was going around like, where are all our wig heads? And we were like, not a clue.
How many did you take?
No, I hadn't done. I didn't take any.
No,
I was thinking about it, because that was the question, right? Well, would I have? No, I didn't take any.
Oh, there we go.
Brenniness.
Amazing.
Thank you. Something to do with drag. Tights? I don't know. Is there a clue in the word, do you reckon? Are they quite similar words?
No, far from. The answer is Queen.
Oh.
Sut deimlad oedd o I fod y fenyw cis cyntaf yn hanes Drag Race?
Do you know, it felt very right. It's about time too. I didn't invent the art of drag for women. People have been doing it far longer than I have. But for me personally, it was great to be the first, of course. It's always good to come first, as they say. Ken and Pedro. I can't roll my R's.
Oh, that was good.
No. I can't do it. I'm an awful lesbian. Don't put that in.
Keep it. Twad, no, not twad.
I haven't thought this hard in so long. What is it?
Daffodil.
Oh, yes. I should definitely have known that.
Gwed mwy wrthyn ni am y gwisg iconic Ken and Pedro.
Well, I wanted to do something very, very Welsh. I wanted something very camp, and it was kind of inspired by pageants as well, because I used to do pageants.
Oh, really?
Yes. So I was Miss British Beauty Curve 2017 to 2018. Is there anything more Welsh than the daffodil?
Of course, is there?
And it reminds me of hats that they wear for the rugby. It reminded me of that, so it's very Welsh. I hope I did you proud.
Lle yw dy hoff le I berfformio yng Nghymru?
Probably Mary's and the Queer Emporium, where we are right now. Mary sort of took me under their wing when I first got to Cardiff. It was my first residency. Every Wednesday I did cabaroke, which was a bit of cabaret and a bit of karaoke merged together.
Have you been to the Valleys?
I have. It was called Flamingo Bar.
Oh, down in Troki?
Yes.
That's where I'm from.
Oh my god, no way.
Small bloody world. Te Prynhawn.
Tea. Tea cake stand.
Ti'n agos?
Tea set. Tea and coffee. Tea and biscuits. Tea house. Afternoon tea? Yes!
Da iawn.
A nightmare to perform in. It was so heavy. I think I made it look easy, if I do say so myself, but I was literally stood there in agony.
Beth oedd dy hoff edrychiad o'r gyfres?
I think the entrance look might actually be my favourite, because it was like typical British, traditional showgirl drag.
Dawnsio.
Dancing?
Yes!
Is it really?
Yes!
I did it! Is it really?
It is!
Yeah.
Dawnsyn!
Oh,
Princess of Wales, everybody. Oh. So, pa gan yw dy hoff gan I lip-syncio?
To tell you the truth, darling, I've never lip-synced in my life, because I'm a live singer. And I haven't even lip-synced on the show because I was singing the whole time. They turned on my audio, I was singing the whole song up until the point where my knee went off like a gunshot. The camera flashed to my eyes, all the blood drained from my skull, and I could start to smell colours. Yes.
Be a trwpedd o. You battled through, girl.
I tried, I did try. Llwyfan.
Oh, got it. Can you say the sh?
Llwyfan. Llwyfan. In a sentence, please.
Rwyt ti'n perfformio ar llwyfan pob nos?
Did you say performance in there somewhere?
Yeah, I did, didn't I?
Okay. Give me a clue.
You perform on it.
Stage.
Yes.
Oh,
that was
yeah,
easy.
That was, yeah, you really gave me that one.
Yeah.
A stage! Is it right?
Yes!
Oh my god! I'm so good at this.
Beth oedd y drag name? Tom Jones.
But that's very easy for me. Tom Scones. Obviously. Tom Scones.
Tom Scones.
Yeah, done.
Done.
Write that down.
There we go.
Make
Yes,
note.
diolch yn fawr. Colir.
Is it colour?
Ooh, no.
No. Collar.
It's colourful, though.
Earrings.
No.
Face. Hey, makeup? Yes. Makeup.
Makeup.
Makeup!
Nes ti ddysgu'r Queens unrhyw, like, slang yn Gymraeg neu unrhyw beth?
Alright, how's it going? Whose coat is this jacket? I'll be there now in a minute. Alright, bud?
Christ. Ras.
Does it begin with R?
Yes.
Okay.
Ras.
Runway.
Ooh, no. What if I say Ras Drag RuPaul?
Race.
Yes! Race. So, rhywbeth mae pawb eisiau gwybod, fydda ti nôl am gyfres 4.
You know as much as I do at the moment. We heard what RuPaul said. We haven't seen the last of Victoria's Gone, but that is literally all I know. I was hoping to win. Am I hoping to win season 4? Or 5? And all stars. And all winners. And that's not what I've been announced yet, but never mind.
It is now, this is the announcement.
No, it's not! I get sued! No!
Oh, Vic. Can I call you Vic?
Please do.
Vic. Ti wedi bod yn absolutely anhygoel. Diolch enfawr. Methu credu fi wedi cyfarfod â ti. Nawr, os yna unrhyw beth ti eisiau gweud i dy fans?
Thank you so much for supporting me. I hope you enjoyed the season. I hope you are subscribed to Sconely Fans. If you have, you have now caught Sconorrhea. And there's no cream for that, only jam. Please come and see me at one of my shows soon. Diolch yn fawr.
3, 2, 1.
Shwmae.